All right, guys, this is Cell Poster Part 5. By now, you should have all your index cards taped on one side. Your partners are taped on the other side. You've taped only the top so that it will flip like this. You've done a nice, neat, and creative title with the word cell followed by whatever you're comparing your cell to. In this case, I did school. And then you've done your centerpiece, which maybe you've done a collage style. Maybe you did a map or blueprint style. Maybe you did it like a dollhouse where it's split open, you can see all the different rooms, whatever the case. And then you've also included your labels that have the analogy and the organelle under the specific pieces. The last step is your teacher is going to give you these tiny cell diagrams, maybe either in 4 or 8, whichever, and you are going to cut them out exactly on the line. Do not just cut them out as little bricks, little squares with the white background. You're going to cut them out exactly like so, being a little bit fast for the video, so pardon me if it's not perfect. Something like that. And you get 4 and your partner gets 4. And you are going to use these underneath your cards, and you're going to shade in only the organelle that the card is representing. So in this case, this is the cell wall. I'm only going to shade in the cell wall any color that you would like. It doesn't really matter. How do I know what the cell wall is? Well, you have this nice handy dandy diagram that you guys should have filled out that's in your folder. You can go check and see where the cell wall is. Cell wall, according to this, is number 3. There's number 3 right there, shaded in as dark green. You can shade it in dark green. You can shade it in at whatever color you want. I shaded mine as like a pinkish reddish color. So it's your choice, but you're only shading in the organelle that it pertains to. I also wanted to point out that for the nucleus, remember the nucleus was one that we added to our diagram as number 14. It is the entire sphere, this thing right here, not this little tiny piece. It's the whole thing. So if you notice on mine, underneath here, nucleus, the whole thing is shaded in. Okay, you can just get your little cell. You can get a piece of tape. You can just fold the tape a couple of times, like so. Put that piece of tape on the back of your diagram, of your little cell diagram, and then you can just put it right there. I would definitely color it before you tape it in. If you have any questions, make sure you ask your teachers.